Hola, hola! Welcome back. Today we go into the wonderful world of adjectives. Let's dive right in. Bueno, pequeño, mediano, grande, or big. Bonito, or beautiful. Nuevo. Let's put these new words to use. In Spanish, adjectives are inverted. You say un café pequeño, literally a coffee small, meaning a small coffee. If describing a feminine noun, the adjective must agree. Una ensalada pequeña, a salad small, meaning a small salad. And if you have a plural noun, the adjective must also agree. Dos jugos pequeños. Dos botellas pequeñas. See? The adjective agrees in gender and in number with the noun. Un hotel bonito. Una estación de tren bonita. Dos estaciones de tren bonitas. Here is one to watch out for. You say, el agua buena. In reality, water is a feminine noun, but we changed the article so as not to have a double A, la agua. Now, what about adjectives that end in E? Simple. They don't change in gender, only in number. Dos jugos grandes. And speaking of bottle, why don't we learn how to say red and white wine? Blanco, tinto. It's not the color red. Literally, it means tinted. It's what we use with wine. Una copa de vino tinto. Literally, a glass of wine tinted. Meaning, of course, a glass of red wine. Dos botellas de vino blanco, por favor. Not too bad, right? Since we are now using plurals, you'll also need plural articles. It's easy. El hotel grande, los hoteles grandes. El turns into los. La farmacia grande, las farmacias grandes. La turns into las. Okay, now look at this. La tienda grande está en esa calle. The large store is on that street. All good there, right? If you are talking about more than one store, though, you need to change the verb. Las tiendas grandes están en esa calle. The large stores are on that street. So we have está, is, and están, are. So you could ask, where are the toothbrushes? ¿Dónde están los cepillos de dientes? Or just, ¿dónde están? Where are they? And with that, we are all set for the day. Time to go make it happen. See you next time.